Hey GIS Army, it's your girl Latrice, back at you again with another Natural Les video. So today I am talking about AFC hair studios. So I've literally been going to them since I was a freshman in college, so I'd say that's like 8 years now, 2011, so 7 years now. But yeah, they started making a lot. Let's just say they've grown so much, okay? But I'm just gonna take you through how I installed this unit and the packaging and all that, and I'll give you my feedback at the end. Peace. So that completes the package, the unboxing and the install. I just want to say that I got this unit for $187 because they're doing a move out sale. So it was 50% off. Yeah, I mean, I have nothing bad to say about their units. Like their lace closures are always on point. I never have to like put concealer or anything, like bleach them, nothing. They're always like they always look very natural. And as you saw in the video, that it came styled, like even as it was wrapped, you know, I pulled it out and boom, it already had curls. And that's good because I don't have a flat iron right now, so I needed this to already be styled, and it was parked straight down the middle. And it's very lightweight, you know what I'm saying, just enough to let me do what I want to do, you know, and it's all human hair. I want to say this is their line. It's very soft. I haven't noticed any shedding whatsoever yet, and but this, like I said, this is initial review, so like I am in love, you feel me? So AFC, keep doing what you're doing. Is it Affc or AFC? I don't know, but I'm gonna say AFC. Keep doing what you're doing, y'all. Y'all are on point for the nation, you know what I mean? On point for the nation. But I'll leave the information for this unit, like this is called Gaby K. I'm pretty sure they're gonna start doing different units and things like that because they're revamping and they're continuously improving. So they're probably gonna do some different types of units soon, but I'll leave the information for this unit below. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe right now. Just go ahead and subscribe. Do it. Just do it. You know, I mean, you really should want to be a part of GIS Army at this point. Like seriously, a part of GIS Army at this point. let's go. Let's motherfucking get it. So be a part of GIGS Army. Join the team. You know what I'm saying? The biggest army in the universe. Just go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys on my next upload. It's your girl, Latrice. Peace.